Hello everyone, today we will be discussing WoodProfits, a collection of profitable woodworking ideas that will help you turn your passion into a successful business. WoodProfits covers a range of woodworking projects and industries, from DIY to furniture making and even outdoor projects. Whether you are an experienced carpenter or a beginner looking to start your own business, these ideas are sure to provide you with valuable insights and inspiration. Let's dive into some of the most popular woodworking business ideas at WoodProfits. 1. Home improvement. Woodworking is an excellent way to improve the beauty and functionality of your home. From installing wood floors and cabinets to making custom furniture, there are endless possibilities for home improvement. 2. Furniture manufacturing. Creating unique and stylish pieces of furniture from wood is a highly profitable business idea. Whether you're working with reclaimed wood or sourcing high-quality materials, furniture making offers a wide range of design options and customization options. 3. Outdoor projects. Woodworking can also be used to create beautiful and functional outdoor projects such as decks, patios, and garden furniture. With the right techniques and materials, you can turn your outdoor space into a relaxing oasis. 4. Woodworking business. If you have the skills and expertise to build a larger business, consider starting a woodworking supply business or offering professional services such as woodworking workshops or custom furniture design. 5. Woodworking schools. Starting a woodworking school can be a lucrative business idea, as it provides training to students and professionals in various woodworking techniques and technologies. In conclusion, WoodProfits offers a wealth of valuable information and business ideas for woodworkers looking to turn their passion into a profitable business. So, whether you are an experienced carpenter or just starting out, these ideas are sure to help you create a successful woodworking business.